Good morning. My name is Benjamin Adams. I am at home, standing inside of the room where I will be conducting all of my speeches. The lighting in this room will be very controlled. If it's too bright, I will simply close the blind and pull the window curtains. The same goes for at night. If it's too dark, I will turn on the lamp and position myself and make myself visible to my audience. The reason I chose this room is because it's not too big, but it has enough space for me to conduct my speeches and not feel crowded. I can assure you, this room will remain quiet with no distractions. It will remain quiet because I will be the only one home while conducting my speeches. And as far as distractions, this room is located in the rear of my home away from the streets, so we will not be distracted by cars passing, blasting music. I will not have no audience. So it'll be just myself giving speeches without an audience.